Hello, today we're trying to repair this industrial vacuum cleaner. So first we're going to remove all the screws we see to get it apart. So now that we have this thing open, we find that there is this logic board inside and it looks kinda complicated and not broken. So we're going to just try to wire the motor straight into a wall to see if it even works. Nope, it doesn't. So we took this last plastic cover off the motor and now we see that this cable here has burnt down, so we'll need to resolder it there and see if that helps. So let's test it again. There we go. Now let's see if this control board works. So let's solder the wires back. So now it's ready, let's test it if it works. So now it works, let's just put it back together. So this works really well now. That's it for this video. We're going to try to make this into some sort of a water gun if it can. It can already blow out water, so it should be able to do the same with water. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.